It's the ultimate handmade competition.
Ready? Make it happen.
30 minutes left.
I've never soldered this fast.
Crafting is bigger than ever, and talented makers have turned it into a multi-billion-dollar industry.
I want to win this.
Each week, we spotlight a new trending craft. And 4 of the country's best makers push their talents to the limit.
Not good. Not good anymore.
Houston, we have a problem.
Oh, man.
My hands are shaking, which is helping nobody.
I didn't do it. I tried so hard.
To determine which one will make it to the top.
I was going for go big or go home.
Say hello to your inspiration judge, Leanne Rhymes.
It's stunning.
Everyone's pumped! Maybe a dance party after this?
I've already stretched, honey.
They'll create one-of-a-kind masterpieces.
Oh, wow.
It looks like a piece of Wedgwood china.
I'm in love with it.
Win. Worthy of the world's best online boutiques.
And I'm not kidding, I'll buy those soaps.
4 master crafters compete.
From one artist to another, I can feel your heart in it, and I appreciate that.
But only one will win $10,000.
I'm taking this thing home. Sign the check.
And the title of Maker Champion.
Get ready to get crafty.
3, 2, 1, hands up! I'm Chrissy Metz, and this is Meet Your Makers Showdown.